Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of photo editing. Whether you're a seasoned photographer, a social media enthusiast, or just someone looking to spice up your vacation photos, understanding photo editing and the software behind it is a game changer. We'll break down what photo editing really means, explore some popular software options, and help you decide which tools are right for you. Stick around, and let's jump right in. So, what exactly is photo editing? Simply put, photo editing is the process of enhancing or modifying an image using software tools. This could mean adjusting brightness, fixing colors, cropping, removing unwanted objects, or even adding creative effects. In short, it's about transforming your photos into something polished and visually stunning. Why bother editing photos in the first place? Well, whether you're a professional photographer or just someone sharing pics online, editing helps tell a story. It allows you to correct mistakes, highlight key elements, and set the perfect mood. Plus, in a world dominated by social media, an edited photo often stands out way more than an unedited one. Alright, let's talk tools. Some of the most popular photo editing software out there include Adobe Photoshop, the gold standard for detailed editing. Lightroom, perfect for batch editing and photo organization. GIMP, a free open-source alternative to Photoshop. Canva, user-friendly and great for beginners. Each tool has its own strengths, so the best one depends on your needs and skill level. So, how do you choose the right software? Think about your goals. Are you editing for social media? Do you need advanced tools for professional photography? Are you looking for free or paid options? If you're unsure where to start, check out the link in the description below for our top image editors, recommendations, and exclusive discounts. Quick tips for better photo editing. Always start with a high-resolution image. Don't overdo it. Subtle edits often look more professional. Learn the basics: brightness, contrast, saturation. Experiment with presets or filters. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try new techniques. And there you have it, folks. A beginner-friendly guide to understanding photo editing and the tools that make it possible. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, having the right software and basic editing skills can truly elevate your photos. Don't forget to click the link in the description for our top photo editors and resources. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which editing software you use. See you in the next video. Happy editing!